All right, SoFi update here on the 27th. Who else just loves the pain? The pain of this market. Just constant sell-off. But look at SoFi just holding strong down here at 1340 on Tuesday, staying here above 14 bucks. What a strong stock. You know, if we were going to be in a 5-wave move, it would have already sold off today to new lows. And if we were going to make that move to 1310, it probably would have happened today as well. There is likely a little bit more downside in the market, maybe like 1.5%, 2%. But I think that SoFi likely bottomed. And I'm actually warming up to the idea of we potentially bottom here for a 4th wave because of the fact that the market looks like it wants to make its next leg higher after we bottom here. So I have this as a wave 1. So we should see a move higher after this. And so SoFi, you know, maybe they just go ahead and take it up to 20, 30 bucks right away. So I'm going to go ahead and add that as one of the possibilities. Otherwise, it's still the same possibility that I talked about in the recent video, which is we are in a B wave here. We made 5 waves here. We're coming back right now to this gap fill at 1391, which will probably hit maybe tomorrow. And then I'm looking for some moves up here. The 1.61 fib, get that out of the way. The 1.61 fib is at 1557. So that's my next target, 1557. And if that hits, then that can be an A wave or a 3rd wave. It just depends on how high we're going to go. If we're going to go up here to 1780, then that could be a 5-wave move. It could look like this. And then pull back and then go up here like that. If we're just going to go up here to 16 bucks, then it could go like that over the next month or so. If we bottom here, and I'll show you the reason that I said previously that there's no chance that the 4th wave is finished, and that is because of the fact that this was a year long and we're only like a month into this 4th wave correction. Normally it goes to a midpoint here at least. But I guess the way the market's going and the way we're holding up, I just don't see how we're going to have time to come up here and then come back down. Still possible. We'll have to see what kind of move we get. So far, so good for the next move higher because we got an impulse off the lows. That's what I want to see if we're going to actually just take off from here and go up to 30 bucks. I want to see a impulse off the lows. We got that. So we'll see what happens. So I'll go ahead and just draw out what I expect to happen. So there's one possibility. Other one is this. Then both of these would come down here like that. Or the third, more bullish one, if the market bottomed and we go much, much higher, it would just look like this. And we would just go all the way up here to, my target would be, get out of this. My target would be, let's see here. It would be 34 bucks. I said 37 in the last video, 34 bucks if that was the bottom on the 25th. So those are basically the 3 possibilities I see from here. I think that the 5-wave move is eliminated to the downside. And we have already started at least a B wave, or we've started the next move higher. We'll find out soon what it's going to be, probably in the next week or 2. We'll see what kind of structure we get on this bounce. Right now, so far, so good. It looks to me like it's making a nice retrace here to this gap fill, and we should see the next move higher here soon. So that's pretty much all there is to say about it right now. Those are the possibilities I see going forward. Drew them out for you. And I think that this move up to 30 bucks is becoming more and more likely. The more that the market sells off right away, I'll go ahead and add it in here. This is what I'm expecting from the overall market here. I'm expecting SPY, something like that. And on QQQ, IWM, I haven't charted in a while, so I'm not going to go over that. But on QQQ, I'm looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then pull back and another move higher like that. So, what do you think is going to happen to SoFi if this plays out? That's why I'm kind of warming up to the idea that maybe the fourth wave is finished. So, we'll see what happens. There's nothing really else to say about it right now, other than the fact that I think 1390 could hit in the next couple of days to fill that gap. And then from there, I think it should be going up. For the move to the upside, anything below 1340, I think that was the low. Anything below 1340 would invalidate the move up to 30. So yeah, that's it. Leave me a comment, like, subscribe for more updates, and I'll catch you in the next video. Let me know what you think is going to happen in the comments.